loves, what's up? I hope you guys doing really well. This makeup is inspired from Pooja Hegde. The song Butta Bomma, Butta Bomma, Butta Bomma, then yes, that song. So if you are interested, then let's go to the video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. For primer, I'm using W7 Prime Magic Primer and I'm using really tiny bit. For foundation, I'm taking Elegant Pro Matte Foundation and this is really good. I really like it.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one.
For my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Brilliant Concealer. I really like the concealer, but I don't like the opening of it. Like it wastes so much product and I'm not that much fan of it. But I really love the concealer, not the packaging. For setting my concealer, I'm using W7 Banana Loose Powder and this is really make my skin flawless.
Running your way, and then I think
Going to see a really funny thing. See? I'm so messy. Who puts their eyes on their mirror? I do. For today's eye makeup, I'm actually going to use a non-branded eyeshadow palette. I bought this really long ago and right now I don't know this palette exists or not, but I'm going to use that. She really have rosy dusky eyeshadow in her eyelid, so I'm going to put this color in my eyelids.
about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss who gon'
Now I'm taking this eyeshadow and putting it in my eyelids.
wash your brain waste. I'm a freak in the
Now I'm going back to the previous eyeshadow color and putting it in my inner and outer corner. I'm also putting the eyeshadow in my under eye. Now I'm lining my under eye with a brown eyeliner. Now I'm applying taking Maybelline mascara. I'm going to add lashes at the end. So my eyes are done. Now I'm going to do contour. And for contouring, I'm using Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. I'm doing really soft contour, not that too much harsh.
she's back a class. I'm
Now for the blush, I'm using Jordana blush.
grab an ass if you want it.
She has got a very glowy face, not that much highlighted. So I'm going to highlight my face a little. And for that, I'm using Revolution Golden Sugar Rose Gold Palette.
Best you ever had.
Now for the lips, I'm taking Imagic 41 shade.
Give it to you, man.
I think I'm going to add a little bit more 43. So basically I ended up with using more lips color. First I have used 41, then 43, then 28 and then a beauty glazed lipstick. So it's official that I can use a one lipstick. And I also applied my eyelash and here's the end of the makeup. So here's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell. And also tell me what you want to see next and see you soon.